Search the removal kit for cleaning device. Remove the device, then we will clean. Okay. So I will teach you how to remove proper for this Gent 34710 device and proper cleaning. Okay, you press this one, right, and lock. Remove the cap of the head light. Take this one. Okay, unlock. Press down. This is the chamber. This is the spalito chamber. Screen. This for this device, and this is the lead light. Then we clean. Proper cleaning. With this one. Clean the screen. Then this is the cover of the chamber. This one clean. Clean the cover of the heat. This one. Then we assemble again. Then put the cover. Assemble this one, this part. First this one, this. Put this one. Then the lid detector. Then this is the screen guard. Then the support cover. Make sure that it's balance. Then you hold like this. This is the hole of the light, lead light. Then so you put here the slot from here, push down, then twist to the right little like this. Then this part and this part is opposite, same side. Twist like that. Then fix. Okay. Okay, when I return back the device, already clean. So we fix again. So make sure guys, even the device fixing, the light also blinking. It means the device okay, fixed properly. If the light is not blink, need to allocate. Okay. Slowly. Okay. Light is blinking. So this one okay. Okay guys, thank you for